Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Behnam and I'm here to present my latest project, which is an application similar to Notion. Okay, let me start by showing you the list of pages we have at the left side of the application. By default, we have a home page, but we can add more pages if it is necessary. For example, I'm going to add a second page, and by hitting enter, it's being added to the list. Of course, we can edit the page title or we can remove it completely. But let me add another page to show you another feature of this application. By clicking on any page title, it will be redirected to the specific URL of that page. And when I enter an invalid URL, I'm going to be redirected to a 404 error page. And of course, I can click on the home page and get back to the home page. And if I refresh the page totally, I can still see the second page, which means all data is being saved into the local storage. And when reloading the page, it's being retrieved again. And okay, let me move forward and show you the editor component, which is here. Here we have a specific page and all contents of it. Here we have we can start adding some notes. For example, I'm going to write hello world, and by pressing backslash, a selector shows up which contains a list of markdowns. I can continue typing and filter a specific markdown. For example, I continued U and N, and since this is the only option that contains U and N, I can select this one and I will have a text containing an underline. And once I hit the enter again, this text is being committed and I can start adding a new note on a new line. For example, this time I'm going to add, how are you? And this time I'm going to select a heading. I can navigate using mouse or I can navigate using key down and key up. And when I want to select an option, I can hit enter or I can select it manually by mouse. For example, I'm going to hit enter and here I have a text containing an H3 markdown. Now I will commit this one as well and continue adding a new one. For example, how is it going? Oh. And again backslash. As you can see, even though this selector has a fixed position, it's resilient against scrolling, and it's also resilient against resizing the window, which is very nice. And okay, I think and when I want to close this selector, I can press escape button and it's going to be escaped. Now, by committing and refreshing the page, I can still see all the notes I written on the page, which means local storage is still working, which is nice. And yes, I think that's all for this application. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.